Now welcome to my channel Counting with Angel. Now Angel, tell me what is this?
This is one.
One. Very good. One. Orange. Very good. Then what's next?
Two.
This is two. Two
Apple.
apples. Very good. What is this, Pari? Three.
Three.
And three.
Mangoes.
One, two, three. Three mangoes.
Three mangoes.
Then what's next? This is
Four.
four. Four
Lions.
lions. One, two, three, and four.
Four.
Lions.
Lions.
Then next,
Five.
five. Five. What is this?
Strawberries.
Strawberries. One, two, three, four, five. Five strawberries.
Five strawberries.
Then next is
Six.
six. Six. Cock.
Six.
Cock. Hen.
Six hens.
One, two, three, four,
Five.
five, six. Very good. Now next, what is this, Angel?
Seven.
Seven. And seven
Stars.
stars. One,
Two.
three,
Three. Four.
four,
Five.
six, and seven. Then next,
Eight.
eight. Eight.
Mouse.
Mouse. Right. One, two,
Two.
three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Then next, what is next?
Nine.
Nine. Nine. Watch. This is hand watch, wrist watch.
Wristwatch, hand watch.
One, two, three, four, five, six,
Seven. Eight. Nine.
eight. Wait, then this is nine. Very good. Then last, 10. 10.
Umbrella.
What is this? Umbrellas. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then thank you for watching my video. Here this is Angel.
Angel. My name is Angel.
Like,
Share,
subscribe
subscribe
my channel
my channel,
Angelvlog.
Angelvlog.